Now, once we are done with the first step, that is preparing the heading part, now it is the time to insert certain data. Now, how to insert the data? What are the rules for inserting the data? Add at least 5 items and their cost details to your spreadsheet. Format your cost and discount. So this is the second part of our hands-on activity where I will be adding 5 items for the school celebration. So definitely there has to be certain decorations, then music, then foods, then soft drinks, then it will be table and chairs, rented or rentals, and then the last part, plates, cups and other utensils. And then the most important part for any of the event is photographer. So now the choice is yours. Either increase the width from here or directly select the cells and do rep text. Now in order to do the rep text, one more time I'll be showing it to you. Select entire cells where you think your data will be. So I have selected entire cell. At the top, you will be able to see horizontal alignment, vertical alignment. Just on the right hand side of the vertical alignment will be an option called as text wrap, and select text wrap. You will be able to see that the wrap has been that the text has been wrapped. Now vendors. From where are we purchasing this? So it is party, warehouse. It can be any name as per your choice. It is just the company, Good Time DJ, then foods, any of the restaurant, then again soft drink. I will be ordering from, suppose, a shop name. This is just a fake name. Table and chairs will be from Furniture Plus. Plates and utensils, dinner, where, INC, and then last, any name I am giving. Suppose I am giving Shan's Photography. Now again the choice is yours. Since we have already wrapped it, you are able to see that it is already wrapped. Now party, suppose it will be 2700 decoration. Now for music, the person is charging 3000. For suppose the food, it will be 3500. For soft drink, suppose I am incurring 2500. For table chairs, 3250. For plates, dinners, inclusive, etc., it is, suppose now I will be giving 1500. And for photography again 2000. Now we require to format this particular part over here. So format as currency. By default you will be able to see it will be in fonts over here. So numbers, go to currency, one more time, format, numbers, and then currency over here, or you will be able to see Indian rupees. Done. So I have converted this particular part into Indian rupees. Now the discount part, it is up to me. I can give any person. Suppose the other person is giving me 5% discount, 7% discount, 10% discount, again 5, 10, 6 and 10. Now I require to convert this particular part into percentage. So format as percent over here. You are able to see it has been converted to 500. Remove the extra zeros. I'm just removing the extra zeros over here so that it is 10, 5, 6 as we have decided. So now we have formatted the particular cells. I have added the cost and I have given the discount also. So this is the second part of your presentation.